Hi guys, this is Dr. Eileen Yue-Ling Han, the director of the Academy of Acupuncture. I am going to share with you that special beans that I love so much, and I have it and I grow it right now. I'm all excited. I want to show you. At the very beginning, I thought this is not going to have any beans, and then I realized, here you go, they are disguised. We got all these long beans. All the long beans right here. I was amazed that because this is one of my favorite beans. This is called long bean. They're really long. Look at how long they are. Long, long, long. So I'm going to harvest them today. And we're going to cook a dinner tonight with a long beans. Look at this. All this beautiful long beans. Long beans, and more long beans. Let's harvest some so we can take it home and cook it tonight. You can see all this. Oh my God. If you don't have a good eyesight, you can't even see them. This is amazing. Look, 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 look. Look right here. Look, look, look right here. I'm so excited that I can get them. Here you go. You can't even see. Look, they're hiding. Ah! They're hiding. Here you go. Acupuncture is much easier than doing this. 1, 2, 3. This one you have to look. Ah. That's a dinner. Hi guys, we're back in the kitchen now. This is what we got for this morning. For all the long beans. Yay! We're gonna start washing the long beans. And wash the long beans. So since we're getting some water right there for the long beans, I also got that sweet potato leaves. I already rinsed it, washed it. I'm gonna make a new different ways of cooking this potato leaves. Then last time we had a stir fry with garlic, and this time I'm gonna make it a little different. It's same leaves, and gonna different ways to do. I'm gonna boil it in the hot water and take it real quickly coming out. And I'm gonna put some garlic and then some soy sauce paste, and then you're gonna try it. It's delicious. Okay, now this is the long beans that we are rinsing, that we got it this morning from. So washing it, make it nice and clean. Good job. All right, we got it. Excellent. So we have it ready, and then we'll put it over here. Now, most important part that is just we want to get rid of this things that was connecting to the top of here. So we just make them put it together, and we're gonna cut them. Okay. Say hi to Papa Han. Say hi. Hi. Papa Han here. 你好. Okay.
你好.
谢谢 Papa. Okay. I think that's good enough for dinner tonight. Thank you. Here you go, Mama Han.
Hi.
So I usually make it. Papa Han is getting his Coca-Cola. So I usually will make it short cutting like this, very tiny little ones. And because they are really raw, so we need to take a little bit of this cutting in this size, so it's easy to eat it with a spoon. As you can see, I'm very lucky. I live with my parents, so they can help me. So this is a dish. For those of you who are vegetarians, this will do. I will use this as garlic and mix with hot chili pepper from the garden. And then I will cut them really small. And if you want them really spicy, that's great. But I think this is how many of the chili that we can handle. So put it right here. And we're gonna get some garlic is in here. So get rid of the skin. Is with garlic and hot chili pepper for our cooking today. Okay? Now, if you are not vegetarian, I was using this pork tenderloin. This is pork tenderloin. Cut it in the way of shredded pork. So once we have the shredded pork, I will put in soy sauce for this particular pork for the people who is not vegetarian. If you're vegetarians, this will make it a beautiful dinner already. But if you are vegetarian, that will do. If you're not vegetarian, you can put some shredded pork. Okay? So now, the shredded pork, I usually put some soy sauce in there. Splash of the soy sauce in the shredded pork. And you will just massage it. And make sure the soy sauce in there looks fantastic. Okay? Olive oil. Now we can see this is really, really hot oil right now. And once this is hot oil right now, then we put this in here first. Ooh, we just want to have the beautiful scent of the garlic and make it really, really nice. You can see all the garlic and then the chili sauce, red chili. Now we'll put it in there. Oh. We will put a little bit of the salt in here. I like to have a little bit of garlic salt. Personally, garlic salt, my secret weapon. Any garlic salt tastes really good. I love it so much. Okay? I have to cook this longer time because the meat, if I put the meat in there right away, it will be too chewy. That's why I will cook this first. And I will put the meat separately. I think we're going to put a little bit of water in here. And cover with this. With the steam, that can make this long bean a little bit softer, but doesn't lose the crunchiness. It will not be like mushy. Okay, the texture is very important. Okay. So now it's ready for you who you are not willing to have meat. So now we can serve this as the way it is. It looks fantastic. Okay, it looks fantastic. So now for those of you who wants to have a little meat, so I'm gonna stir fry this one here real quickly. So now the vegetarian gonna become the meat eater's vegetable. Now we mix them all together. So good. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so sweet. The natural sweet from the vegetable. Here you go, we're ready. I'm gonna take it out now. Oh, so good. Sean, there you go. Quiet. It's so good. Very good. Papa Han is looking. He's like, you kids are eating too much.